I'm going to show you how to create any educational material directly from a YouTube video in seconds with Brisk. So here I am. I found the video I want. This is a Bill Nye video on space exploration. And from here, I'm going to click on the Brisk icon in the bottom right corner of my screen, and I can click the Create button. And from here, I can create a quiz, a resource, an exemplar, a lesson plan, anything else that I want, anything directly from this video. So I'm going to create a quiz. In this text box, I can be specific about what I want the quiz to be. I'm just going to say create a quiz about this video. It can be as specific or as vague as I want. This is for my 6th graders. I want it to be multiple choice. It could be short response or long response. Let's make it 10 questions long. I click next. From here, I could create the quiz directly in a Google Doc or a new form. I click Brisket, and in a couple of seconds, a new tab is going to appear. Here we go. And immediately information from that YouTube video is populating into a quiz with an answer key embedded. So you can see it's called a space exploration quiz based on the Bill Nye video, and all of the questions are pre-populated. I did not type one single thing.